In this video, we listed the 5 best Ugreen docking station on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ugreen CM866 Docking Station. The Ugreen Dual HDMI USB-C Hub docking station is a versatile accessory designed for seamless connectivity across various systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android, as well as compatible game consoles like Nintendo Switch and Steam Deck. It features 10 ports, including dual HDMI output supporting 4K resolution at 60 Hz, USB-A, and USB-C ports with a transfer speed of up to 10 gigabits per second, and an RJ45 Ethernet port for high-speed internet access. Their hub supports simultaneous reading and writing of SD and TF cards at 104 megabytes per second and offers 100 W power delivery for fast charging. Built with protective measures against voltage shock and overcurrent, this hub is both durable and efficient, making it ideal for various scenarios. With a plug-and-play design requiring no drivers, it is a convenient solution for expanding connectivity options while ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Number 2. Ugreen CM639 Docking Station. The Ugreen Dual HDMI USB-C Hub is a comprehensive 10-in-1 docking station designed for enhanced connectivity across a wide range of systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iOS, and Android, as well as game consoles like the Nintendo Switch and Steam Deck. This hub features 2 HDMI ports, allowing for dual displays with resolutions up to 8K at 30 Hz and 4K at 60 Hz, making it ideal for video editors and programmers who require multiple screens for productivity. It includes a 1000 megabits per second RJ45 Ethernet port for fast internet access, a 100 W power delivery port for quick charging, and various USB ports, including USB-A and USB-C, for connecting peripherals. With support for simultaneous reading of SD and TF cards at 104 megabytes per second, this hub ensures efficient data transfer and versatility in a compact design. Built with protective measures against voltage shock and overcurrent, it provides a reliable and durable solution for expanding device connectivity in both office and creative environments. Number 3. Ugreen CM512 Docking Station. The Ugreen 7-in-1 USB-C Hub * is a versatile docking station that transforms a single USB-C port into 7 functional ports, including a 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output, Gigabit Ethernet, PD100W charging, and 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, along with SD and TF card readers. Designed for compatibility with a wide range of systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and various game consoles, this hub offers fast data transfer rates of up to 5 gigabits per second, making it ideal for connecting peripherals like keyboards, mice, and external drives. The HDMI port supports high-definition visuals for presentations or streaming, while the Gigabit Ethernet ensures a stable internet connection. With a sleek aluminum alloy design, their hub is not only durable but also portable, making it suitable for professionals, students, and creatives who need reliable connectivity on the go. Its built-in protective features and universal compatibility further enhance its appeal, ensuring it meets the demands of everyday use. Number 4. Ugreen CM888 Docking Station. The Ugreen Uno USB-C Hub is a versatile 6-in-1 docking station that enhances connectivity for a variety of devices, supporting systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iOS, and Android. This hub features a 4K at 60 Hz HDMI port for high-definition video output, along with 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, all providing ultra-fast data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. It also includes a USB-C PD 3.0 port that supports 100 W charging, allowing for efficient power delivery to connected devices while reserving 15 W for other operations. Their hub's smart design incorporates an LED display that shows dynamic status emojis, adding a fun touch to its functionality. Designed for broad compatibility with popular devices, including the latest MacBooks and smartphones, the Ugreen USB Hub ensures seamless plug-and-play operation, making it an essential accessory for professionals and creatives seeking reliable and efficient connectivity on the go. Number 5. Ugreen CM886 Docking Station. The Ugreen 12-in-1 USB-C hub is a highly versatile docking station that significantly expands connectivity options for laptops and other devices. It features a variety of ports, including 2 HDMI ports supporting 4K at 60Hz and a DisplayPort capable of delivering 4K at 120Hz, allowing for multiple display configurations such as dual and triple 4K outputs. Their hub also includes 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports for fast data transfer at up to 10 gigabits per second, alongside an RJ45 port for gigabit Ethernet connectivity, an SD/TF card reader that supports simultaneous reading, and a 3.5mm audio port for stereo sound. Compliant with USB 3.2 Gen 2 standards, it offers efficient power delivery with a PD charging port that supports up to 100W input. Designed for broad compatibility across various operating systems, this hub ensures a seamless plug-and-play experience, making it an ideal solution for professionals and creatives who require extensive connectivity and high performance in their tech setups. The durable construction, including a braided cable and metal shell, enhances its reliability and aesthetic appeal.